Come along, let's sing and play. Learn your letters the fun way today. A is for apple, crunchy and sweet. A yummy snack you love to eat. B is for ball, bouncing so high. Catch it, throw it, watch it fly. C is for cat, soft and small. Purrs when you give a gentle call. D is for dog, wagging his tail, barking hello on the forest trail. E is for elephant, big and grand, swinging his trunk across the land. F is for fish, swimming by, blowing bubbles as it waves high. G is for grapes, purple and round, rolling and tumbling on the ground. H is for hat, up on your head, keeps you warm when you're in bed. I is for ice cream, cold and yummy, melting quickly in your tummy. J is for jelly, wobble and shake, wiggle it fast for a giggly cake. K is for kite, up in the sky, soaring and dancing, way up high. L is for lion, roaring with might, king of the jungle, strong and bright. M is for monkey, swinging with glee, hanging from branches up in a tree. N is for nest, cozy and round, where baby birds can sleep safe and sound. O is for octopus, swimming in the sea, 8 long arms waving at me. P for penguin, sliding on the snow, waddling fast wherever they go. Q is for queen, wearing her crown, smiling and waving all through the town. R is for rainbow, shining so bright, filling the sky with colors of light. S is for sun, warm and bright, shining on flowers with golden light. T is for tree, tall and green, home for birds that can be seen. U is for umbrella, open wide, keeping you dry when it rains outside. V is for violin, playing a tune, sweet as the stars and soft as the moon.
W is for whale, swimming slow, spouting up water in a giant blow. X is for xylophone, tinkly and bright, playing a song in the morning light. Y is for yo-yo, up and down, spinning and twirling round and round. Z is for zebra, black and white, running fast with all its might. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, sing along and clap with me. H to Z, you did it too. Learning letters is fun with you. Thanks for singing loud and clear. Hope you liked learning letters here. Click subscribe, don't go away. More fun songs are on the way.